Once my seasons are combined, I went ahead and I just make a few slits on my chicken breast just so that they can absorb more flavor. And then I went ahead, season, and set it aside to marinate. Now let's get ready to cook our pasta. It's depend on what type of pasta you like. They like the rotini pasta, so that's what I'm using. And we're just gonna go ahead and give it a few stir for a couple minutes just so that the pasta doesn't stick. While that's boiling, we're gonna go ahead and cook our remaining chicken breast. And you wanna cover the chicken breast every now and then just so that it can retain the juiciness. Once that is all done, we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. I'm gonna add some butter to my pan. I also added some garlic paste. You can use fresh garlic if you have it. And I'm adding this Italian herb paste as well. We're gonna saute that, and then we're gonna go in with our heavy cream, and then whatever cheese you like to add in your pasta. I like to add cream cheese, Parmesan cheese at the end, and I also like to add some Velveeta white queso cheese, but that's totally optional. I love it. It gives the pasta a nice creaminess, and that is why I like to use it. All right, so we're just gonna let this simmer. Don't let it boil. You don't want your sauce to boil, you just want it to simmer, and we're gonna season the sauce to perfection. All right, once it has your desired taste and it is nice and creamy just like this, we're gonna go ahead, add some of that pasta water just to thicken up the sauce a little bit, add in our Parmesan cheese, and then we're gonna go and add in our chicken and our pasta. I like to gradually add my pasta just so that I have a great ratio, sauce to pasta ratio. So that's my take on it. You can do whatever you want. If you like it really saucy, or you like more pasta than sauce, it's totally up to you. And this is what it's looking like. This is a finishing touch. I just add some parsley and red pepper flakes, and this is dinner. Next, we're gonna make some chicken and shrimp pasta. And we're also using the rotini. I add some green seasoning, and I use my favorite powdered seasoning. We do the same thing, saute, and you know the shrimp takes like 6 minutes to cook. You want them nice and moist. And then we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce again. Same sauce. I don't change my sauce. I use the same sauce for all of this. So this is two great pasta dish for you for this weekend or whenever. Just go ahead and save these recipes, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.